So I'm going to be using my 2 cups and pouring in my dark chocolate and my pink chocolate. So this is the chocolate that I need right now. I'm going to be melting both of them. Make sure that there is no hard pieces still that need to be melted. So make sure before you start dipping your strawberries that your chocolate is not too warm. So we're gonna wait for these to cool down for a little. So now that these cool down, I'm going to begin my dipping. I'm going to be dipping 8 berries in the pink and 4 strawberries in the milk chocolate. We actually do need this one, and you also need a Ziploc bag and some scissors. I like to use these small ones, that way you're able to make the hole as small as possible. If you have smaller cups, I recommend you use those because you don't really need to use too much chocolate. So if you have smaller ones, use those. So now that they have dried, I am going to go in with drizzle on 4 pink berries. Make sure you let all the air out, that way it's not messing up your drizzle when you go in, because there's like air bubbles in there. To do drizzle on 2 chocolate. So I melted both of these, and I'm just going to move them around. Now you're going to get your white chocolate and put it in a Ziploc bag as well. So now I'm going to put these in the freezer. So now I'm going to carefully take these out. They're looking really good. They should look like this. So now I'm going to repeat the same process again. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for the flowers to freeze. I'm going to take out, to put the strawberries that are done into mini cupcake liners. I'm going to place one up here. So in my crumpled paper, and I'm going to put in my strawberries into the box. Now that we have our strawberries, we're just going to finish off by spraying them with some edible glitter